Have you ever lathered up with soap during a pandemic and wondered, how does this bubbly stuff actually kill viruses? It's not magic, it's chemistry in action, turning a simple wash into a viral massacre. Imagine tiny soap molecules acting like ninjas, ripping apart virus envelopes and sending them down the drain. But why does it work so well? And is it better than sanitizers? Today, we're sudsing up the science of how soap slays viruses. From ancient hygiene hacks to molecular battles, germ-killing details, and what the future holds for fighting invisible enemies. This isn't just clean hands, it's a deep dive into why washing is your best defense. Stick around, you might never skip the 20-second scrub again. Let's bubble back to the origins of soap and its war on germs, long before we knew viruses existed. Soap's story starts thousands of years ago in ancient Babylon, where clay tablets describe boiling fats with ashes to make a cleanser, early soap for washing wool and skin. The background? Humans noticed dirty hands spread sickness, but without microscopes, it was trial and error. Egyptians mixed animal fats with alkaline salts for medical soaps to treat sores, while Romans popularized public baths with olive oil-based soap. In the Islamic Golden Age, scholars wrote on hygiene, using soap to prevent infections, linking cleanliness to health in religious rituals. Viruses weren't identified until the late 19th century, but ancient practices hinted at it. Indigenous Americans used plant roots as natural soap for wound cleaning, reducing bacterial spread. The key ingredient? Natural compounds in plants that foam and break fats. This wasn't scientific yet. It stemmed from observation. Dirty water bred disease, clean hands healed faster, setting the stage for soap's evolution from luxury to lifesaver, especially during plagues when washing away evil saved lives without knowing why. Humans haven't just used soap. We've innovated, tested, and sometimes bungled its antiviral powers through history, turning a basic bar into a global health hero. In medieval Europe, soap was rare. Royals bathed infrequently, fueling plagues that killed millions. But here's the twist. During the Renaissance, soap guilds standardized recipes with olive oil and soda ash, making it widespread. Physicians mandated hand washing in hospitals, slashing deaths dramatically, though mocked as germ theory was new. Famous breakthroughs? Pasteur's work confirmed microbes, leading to carbolic soap for surgeries, cutting infections significantly. The 20th century's pandemic spurred mass production. Companies marketed pure soaps for hygiene, while wartime soldiers carried antibacterial versions. Antiviral focus sharpened with HIV. Studies showed soap disrupts lipid envelopes. During COVID, hand-washing campaigns saved lives, but myths like hot water kills viruses spread via social media. These historical pushes weren't always smooth. Early soaps irritated skin, leading to gentler formulas, but transformed hygiene from habit to science-backed savior. So, what does modern science say about soap's virus-killing prowess? It's all chemistry. Viruses like COVID or flu have lipid envelopes, fatty membranes protecting RNA. Soap is amphiphilic, molecules with water-loving heads and fat-loving tails. When you lather, tails burrow into viral lipids, prying the envelope apart like a crowbar, exposing and destroying the virus in seconds. Science shows 20 seconds reduces viral load dramatically per lab tests. Add friction. Rubbing dislodges particles, rinsing flushes them away. The brain's habit-forming washes build muscle memory for hygiene. Weird examples? Hand sanitizer dehydrates envelopes, but soap works on non-envelope viruses like norovirus 2 by denaturing proteins. Numbers? Soap cuts diarrheal diseases and respiratory infections significantly. Simple, cheap, powerful. Fun fact, antibacterial soaps with certain additives were banned. Plain soap suffices as it physically removes germs versus killing all bacteria, which risks resistance. Anthropology. In water-scarce areas, dry soap like ash works similarly by abrasion. Effectiveness? Soap is one of the most powerful tools against viruses and bacteria, inexpensive and accessible worldwide. In our globalized world, soap's virus-fighting role is more vital than ever, blending tech, culture, and emotion amid pandemics and innovation. Social media campaigns went viral, with celebrities demoing techniques, saving lives but sparking shortage memes. Globalization spreads formulas. African shea butter soaps go worldwide, while Japanese foaming tech reduces water use. Identity plays. In Muslim cultures, ablution with soap ties hygiene to faith, evoking spiritual cleanliness. Emotionally, lathering calms anxiety. Post-pandemic surveys show many feel safe after washing. Tech upgrades. Smart dispensers time the scrub. Nano-soaps with silver ions boost kill rates. In diverse societies, it equalizes. Low-income areas use affordable bar soap, bridging health gaps. Human side. Healthcare workers during outbreaks bond over soap stories, feeling empowered. Emotionally, it evokes peace. The ritual of washing becomes meditative. Challenges. Plastic pollution from bottles pushes eco-soaps. Water scarcity in deserts demands dry alternatives. Peering into the future, what might soap's virus battle look like? The most logical scenario, antiviral smart soaps with phages target specific viruses, integrated with wearables alerting to wash, cutting infections dramatically. The crazy extreme? Superbug evolution renders soap useless. Societies revert to herbal soaps, or nanobot skin coatings replace washing. The tech-based one, AI-formulated soaps adapt to pandemics via 3D printing. Space stations use foamless soap for zero-gravity hygiene. But let's flip this. Maybe the real question isn't how soap kills viruses, but why we need simple solutions in a high-tech world. Philosophically, it's humility. Nature's fats and lye triumph over superbugs. In a germ-phobic era, does soap teach trust in basics? What if cleanliness is next to mindfulness? There you have it. Soap isn't just clean. It's a virus assassin, proving simple science saves lives. Wash like your life depends on it, because it does. Got a soap hack or hygiene tip? Share in the comments. I read them all. If this cleaned up your curiosity, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science scrubs. Thanks for watching. Stay soapy.